Enjoy your ride.
At ako na.
And kahigala,
Okay, sige. Ako na ang
this is your
mamimili.
time to
Ayokong
shine.
umiyak. Sinisipon na ako.
Siyempre,
Tara naman.
sana naman matapos na yung banana queue.
Bakit natugma, no?
Yeah.
Actually, natugma talaga.
I don't know how.
Okay.
Go.
Basahin ko na, ha?
Ano ba yun?
Okay. Pwede nga umulit, Char. How do you identify your need to ask for help sa iyong mental health?
Oh, go for your mental health, kahigala.
Siguro, how do you identify? Paano, no? Tama ba? How do you identify your need to ask for help sa iyong mental health? Actually, alam naman niyo na yan na I'm a strong, independent kineme. Char, eme. Marami akong pinagdaanan in life, so I cannot discuss further sa buhay ko. Basta during my elementary, high school days, ganon, maraming akong ano. And that's part of my growth. Siguro, paano ko ma-identify yung pangangailangan ko? Parang katulad kay Cha. Parang gusto ko yung magkaroon ako din ng I always ask for or I search for an outlet.
Yeah.
Yes, unwind, umakyat ng bundok, gumala, kagaya nito, nagpumunta kami ng Iloilo, gumastos, char. No? So, mga ganong bagay, nakaka-stress pero somehow, it live your life. Char, it live your life and siguro that matters for me as long as wala akong inaapakang tao, wala tayong tinatapakang tao, we enjoy lang. And for me, as long as you stay grounded sa iyong core, being kind, and of course, part of it yung wala kang inaapakang tao talaga. Wala kang pinapakialaman, kumbaga. And the rest will follow na maging masaya ka sa buhay mo. And for me, kasi kung marami kang bother sa mga tao or any of course hindi maging masaya or hindi ka makakatulong humanap ng need for your mental health.
Yeah.
For me right now, yun ang mas mahalaga, to be positive and to be kind for every di ba?
And just be humble.
And enjoy life to the fullest.
Yep.
Yan, balik na yan sa live to the fullest.
Okay.
Ayan, ikaw na magbumasa sa Beshi. Sa likod.
Beshi, a friendly reminder lang ha, na reaching out is not a strength, not a weakness. Kaya, kapag nagtatampo kung kailangan mag-reach out, huwag maglilap sa GC, magsasabi kapag mayroong problema.
Ay, wait lang. Bakit ikaw pala ang nalaman tuloy ni Rika? Ano ba yan?
Sarap.
Guys, nalaman tuloy, no? Anyway, that's part of friendship.
Yeah.
Totoo yan. Realistic yan. It's for me, paano din magstay yung friend mo.
Yeah.
Tama, Rick, no? Diyan mo matutunan. And that's, Char, nag-extend na yung pagiging ko, ha? Tunay yon. Nagle-left ako ng group. But it depends on how your circles will appreciate, understand you. Hindi naman kasi lahat din ng circles mo ay okay.
Yes, hindi lahat ng circles ay available.
Yes.
There's a time na magkakaroon talaga ng busy days.
Yes.
Na hindi lahat.
Ayan, hugutan. Chares.
Mm-mm.
But thank you so much for reminding me. Tama din naman.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to reach out.
Mm-mm.
Siguro ako lang is I need to
Rest
and test. And test. Wait lang. Next na.